Yeah, so I've done the other new old vacuum cleaner. You saw the one with the bezel force. It's in the room. It's over here. But if you saw the newer vacuum cleaner with the boss vacuum, click on the description below and it will show up the newer vacuum cleaner. And I'm glad that I have another vacuum called the Bezel Power Force vacuum. And yeah, look at the second. And here is the Bezel Power Force vacuum. Here we have a Bezel Power Force vacuum. And I showed you in the last video called in the garage. But this time we're gonna be doing it with this vacuum. I know this is an old, this is kind of like a, an actual a small room, yes. But this time we've been using the Bezel Power Force in about like years and years ago. That's why, that's why I'm gonna do the Power Force right now. So guys, hope you guys enjoy this video yeah. And then one more thing, I don't know what the upload called the battle of the vacuum cleaners. Bezel versus the Eureka, and we'll see how it test it out. But first, I don't know what time am I gonna upload the battle of the vacuum cleaner. So yeah. But anyway, guys, let's get started. Let's get this clap started. Okay. Okay, guys, ready? So look at the bezel. The old man in the comments tell me which vacuum can clean the best. My name is Alex Ruiz from the profile picture of Classic Casper, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. But that's all, guys. This is the Bezel. Yeah, this is the Bezel Power Force vacuum. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys do, make sure to give me a like, comment, subscribe. And I know you guys gonna know about the battle of the vacuum cleaners. But guys, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. And I don't know what day I'm gonna upload. So I hope you guys enjoy. And then guys, bye.